Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the instant tutorials by the Ruggeds. Yes, where we will teach you every week a new technique. Okay, listen up. We're gonna do head swipe. I'm Skychief from the Ruggeds, and I'll be teaching you the head swipe. It just takes a few steps. First thing what you should do is lay on your back. Okay, this is the first step. Now, while you're laying on your back, you go your hips towards the ceiling. Okay, then you're gonna go to a turtle freeze to the left side. My arm goes underneath like this, and I'm gonna catch myself to the turtle freeze. Okay, listen up, check it out. So I'm here, boom. One more time. I kick with my left leg, jump, and the left go under. Boom. Like this. Okay, that's the first step. Boom. Second one, what we're gonna do? Okay, we're gonna go further. Second step, we're here, boom. And then from there, I'm gonna drop myself. And I'm back on my back. Then one more time. Boom. One thing you should really know and understand that when you do it, you don't do the head swipe on your shoulder. That's the stuff the mistake that everybody makes. So you don't go this. That's not it. So you make sure you go like a halo. The angel halo. So you're here, boom, and then push, boom. I'm back. Okay. Let me demonstrate it real fast. Listen up. That was the instant tutorial by the Skychief. Enough talking and go to practice. And like and touch the subscribe button.